Busted for ecstasy in Las Vegas? Here are the penalties that a good lawyer can often help you to avoid. Ecstasy is a Schedule I drug that also goes by the names MDMA or Molly. In Nevada, a first-time conviction for possession of ecstasy for personal use is a Category E felony requiring the court to grant probation. Meanwhile, a first-time conviction for possessing ecstasy with the intent to sell is a Category D felony carrying 1 to 4 years in prison and a fine of up to $5,000. And a first-time conviction of selling ecstasy is a Category B felony carrying 1 to 6 years in prison and a fine of up to $20,000. Penalties increase with each successive drug conviction. However, when the amount of ecstasy in a case is 4 grams or more, the defendant is statutorily charged with trafficking, and trafficking penalties depend on weight. So trafficking 4 grams to less than 14 grams of ecstasy is a Category B felony carrying 1 to 6 years in prison and a fine of up to $50,000. Trafficking 14 grams to less than 28 grams of ecstasy is a Category B felony carrying a penalty of 2 to 15 years in prison and a fine of up to $100,000. And trafficking 28 grams or more of ecstasy is a Category A felony carrying 25 years or life in prison with a possibility of parole after 10 years and a fine of up to $500,000. If you are facing criminal charges in Nevada, call my legal team at 702 Defense. The attorneys at the Las Vegas Defense Group will do everything to try to get your case resolved as quickly and favorably as possible.